The Khyber Pass joins what two countries? Canada and America, Pakistan and Afghanistan, Afghanistan and China, India and Pakistan.
4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. The green peafowl is the national bird of which country? Pakistan, Norway, India, or Iceland?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is India.
Diwali is an important festival in which religion? Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Catholicism.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The right answer is Hinduism. Where could you visit the Burj Khalifa Tower? Tokyo, Dubai, Singapore, or Washington?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your answer is Dubai. Where is the Museum of the Future situated? Beijing, China, Shuang, China, Mumbai, India, or Dubai, UAE?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is Dubai, UAE. How many lungs do humans have? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the correct answer is 2. Flag of which country is in the picture? Canada, Dominica, China, or Afghanistan?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is Dominica. An optical phenomenon produced by light is called what? Rainbow, bleeding sky, halo, or aurora?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is halo. Sunburn affects which part of the body? Hair, skin, eyes, or nails?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the correct answer is skin. Which creature is in the picture? Griffin, minotaur, goblin, or vampire?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is vampire. Who said all I need to make a comedy is a park? A policeman and a pretty girl, Fatty Arbuckle, Buster Keaton, Harold Lloyd, or
5,
Charlie Chaplin?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Your answer is Charlie Chaplin. Who said all I need to make a comedy is a park? A policeman and a pretty girl, Fatty Arbuckle, Buster Keaton, Harold Lloyd, or
5,
Charlie Chaplin?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Your answer is Charlie Chaplin. Where does pizza originate from? Italy, France, Spain, or Russia?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is Italy. What is the capital of Panama? Colón, Panama City, San Jose de David, or Tucumán?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is definitely Panama City. Which of the following is a popular snack food in movie theaters? Stini, popcorn, croutons, or Poke?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct option is popcorn. What do musk oxen eat? Small rodents, grass and plants, insects, or fish?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Your answer is grass and plants. What is the British Union flag known? The Union John, the Union Jane, the Union Jack, or the Union Jane?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is Union Jack. Which of these companies produces perfumes? Samsung, Calvin Klein, Pepsi, or Google?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is Calvin Klein. A ball from which sports game is in the picture? Golf, basketball, volleyball, football?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is golf. Islamabad is the capital of which country? Turkey, Iran, India, or Pakistan?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is Pakistan. Who created a model called the 5 stages of grief?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is Elizabeth Kubler-Ross. The telegraph was invented by who? Samuel F. B. Morse, Samuel Smart, Samuel Martin, or Samuel Smith?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct options is Samuel F.B. Moore. Which is the main ingredient for ice cream? Cheese, rum, milk, or beer?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is milk. Who is a fictional character? Jay-Z, Shakira, Othello, or Lady Gaga?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is Othello. What is the most common eye color? Gray, blue, brown, or green?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is brown.